Hey there, I'm Sal. Thanks for checking out the video. This past weekend I was at my local pick and pull and I stumbled across a 2007 Toyota Sequoia. If you don't know, first gen Sequoia, first gen Tundra share tons of parts. They're almost identical, especially for these double cab Tundras. And I was trying to see what kind of parts I could pull off of it. And sure enough, it still had its auto dimming rear view mirror installed. So my truck, 2006 Tundra, didn't come optioned with it from the factory. So I just had a standard mirror, but I remember reading somewhere that even if it didn't come optioned, most of them were pre-wired for an auto-dimming mirror. So I took a bit of a gamble. I bought this mirror before coming home and checking on my own truck. But to get home and for you to check on your trucks, you can just pop open this sunglasses holder. There's two Phillips head screws, and then you can pull off this whole panel up in the headliner. With the panel off, looking as far forward as you can, you'll see this wiring harness. And in my case, I had this wire coming out of it that was taped to the harness. At the end of it, if you follow it to the end, you see it has an unused 7-pin connector. And sure enough, this was my the power wire for a auto-dimming mirror. So I just cut that tape, ran the wire out the front of the headliner and down the windshield. Swapping the mirrors is so easy. Pull the old one off, throw the new one on, plugged it into the mirror, started the truck, and it works. As far as cleaning up the install of it, the mirror, I was also able to grab the little plastic cover for the wire. It's kind of cool. It like telescopes. So you clip it into the base of the mirror, and you can telescope the top plastic piece up to the headliner, and it just kind of makes the whole install look a little bit cleaner. Not necessarily required if you can't find that on eBay or on the parts car that you're pulling it from, but it sure does make it look more like an OEM install. Let's see. So why did I swap the mirror in the first place? So when I bought this truck pretty recently, the mirror that came in it was all beat up. You know, you've seen the mirror kind of like delaminate and it looks all crappy on the outside. So I bought this replacement on eBay and it just looks kind of funky. The reflection is like weirdly distorted. It's like very magnified. And then you see it's got the manual dimming. And with most mirrors with the manual dimming, you can always kind of see the reflection of the darkened mirror when you're looking at the normal one. But this one is especially bad. I'm trying to capture it on video, but it was honestly a little bit distracting when I was driving around. So I've been wanting to get a new mirror for a while, and this was just, I was like, oh man, this is my ticket out. So yeah, threw it in, super easy. Hopefully this helped you out with seeing if you have the wiring for it. But yeah, can't recommend it enough. Like I said, I got this one at my local pick and pull. I paid $36 for it. It was a little bit more than I thought it was going to be, if I'm being honest. But I didn't get any discounts. I know Pick and Pull does discounts throughout the year, and I'm sure you could get it for half off at some point. I did look afterwards on eBay. You can get these for $40 to, some of them were listed as high as like $100, which I think is a little bit crazy. But you could get into it for 40 or 50 pretty easily. And I think it's a nice little upgrade. I'm a huge fan of these like relatively inexpensive OEM Plus upgrades. In this case, it's not even OEM Plus, it's just OEM. But yeah, it just makes you feel a little bit better doing something like this to your truck. I don't know, maybe it's just me. So yeah, I'll have the part number, if I can find it, linked in the description. But otherwise, yeah, just try to find maybe your local pick and pull or search it on eBay. So let me know if you have any questions. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and have a great rest of your day.